Say, happy trading. I know you can't see me because I'm in camo today, but we're still gonna go over the trades. Today I was up, I was down, I was up. I ended the day up, but lessons were learned, more importantly. So let's start off with Exxon. Oh, Exxon, we have a Fab Four right about here. First move is an elephant off of it into the 20. It's hard, but it's violent. Should have played a sell into it. Let's say we put a couple of lots right there. It goes down. Say a color change hidden. Add more lots right there. Let it go down. One push, two push, three push. Get out right there. That's how it should have been played. How I played it, didn't catch this first one, caught the color change. So we put everything on the color change, let it go down, sold more as if that was the color change, but this was the color change. And then we got out immediately as soon as we saw this bar eliminated completely. Um, we left one lot. It went up on us past our entry point or past the point to make it zero, I think. So we just got out. And even if we didn't have, we wouldn't have played that. Only would have played it up. So that goes to our next lesson right here. We have a tail bar. We take tail bars right above the tail bar. Enter here. Stop. Let it ride. You'd get your entry right here. Pulls back. Then you add everything right there. And then, so what I've been doing lately, and I'm going to try to hold back on it, I always go for the first move and I put everything on the first move and then it goes against me. Uh, and what I'm going to start doing is put a light move on the first move because if it just goes, I'll take it. But if it comes back, that's when I can really pound into it and get the big boy moves so we can start cashing big. That's the play. Okay, so let's say we keep moving. We have a narrow state. Elephant bar off the 20. We take 20 moves, even if it's into support. We take it, it's off the 20. We get into it. We got into it late in real life. But you still take it. This is when you're supposed to stop and reverse. I didn't. Stop and reverse, play it to here, get out, leave a lot, let it fly down, get out of that last lot there. What we did is we saw an elephant bar off a flat 200, so we sold into it, let it go all the way down. And then once it got past, we got out, but wasn't the best trade, especially because look what it did. Bam. So even taking it right here, and do you see what I was talking about earlier? I'll put everything into this one, and this one will go and then reverse on me. And what I really want to do is put a light amount here, let it go, just in case it goes, right? But let it come back to me. Baby, come back to me. And then spot them, got them. That's what we really want to be focusing on. And then look at that position of power. Flat 200. Remember, most of our plays work the best when the Ho 200 is flat. That is our starting ground. That is our one consistent that we can have, or that we can at least create, and the amount you're willing to risk. That as well. The state you play and the amount you're willing to risk, I believe, are the two things you can control. Like narrow state to wide state to narrow state. And it just does that all day. All day. And what we're aiming for is that and that. And that is the whale. There's a elephant bar off a 20 with a flat 200. We're going to take that. One push, two push, three. We can get out here, leave a lot. We might have took that one hard with a lot, knowing it wasn't going to get back to here because of that takeout, that hidden, get right there a lot. Would get out quickly because we know that went past 50% going down. Uh, that is definitely something we're going to take. Stop below the event. Elephant bar is the event. We knew we could get out a lot here, but wait for it. And that's the whale that we're always looking for. Initial get in, add, add more, get out, get out. That is the sell we sold here into strong resistance. Bad move. And that was the end of the day. Next play is going to be Walmart. Now, Walmart, how did it start? Oh, terrible. So, flat 200. There's our 30 minutes. So, this is our Fab 4. We get a bar off of it to sell. Comes back on us, hits right into the Fab 4. You could probably take this. What I ended up doing is I took a sell here, thinking that was off the Fab 4. It went down, and then it went up on me, and I got out right here. The better play was right here, off the 20. You see how I was way away from anything? I was just hoping to go like a torpedo, and things don't move like that. You gotta be caressing. So keep in mind, we have a level of support right here. Bounced off it, made a hard move once, twice. We can expect it on a third time. We get this large elephant bar. We buy into it. What do we get here? A whale, a hidden whale. And why is it a hidden whale? Because it went up and down. And that is the whale that we're always looking to capture the whole move. Now we have something like a triangle build up in here, breaks it. We would buy. It's off the 20. It's leaving the previous close, the 20, the 8, and the 200, clearing all this space with nothing to the left of it. That's something we're going to take. One, two, three. Probably get out here, but four, same difference. Position of power. We're going to play this up if we get a chance to. Still going to play it up. Nope. Because we thought that we could, an elephant off the 20 would be leg 2. So think of this as leg 1, leg 2. So you can't expect too much. So leg 1, leg 2. And you see how they're about the same size? What's the chances? Since we know they're the same size, we gotta move off the ending. We know that's a buy, even if it's into support. You could have got out here, left a lot, played it, added it, got out here. Strong event, sell into it. Keep in mind that's the position of power right here. So we would play anything down hard. Support of the 200 and the previous close. Remember, they're areas, they're not straight lines, they're areas of resistance. You get a move like that, you know it's a sell, you sell into it. This is leg 1, leg 2, can't expect too much. One, two. I'd say get out. See if you see a move off of this area. We can keep in mind. One, two, three. So we got a three-finger spread. And we got a move bigger than the red. We're gonna go up. And we even got a tail bar, so buy above the tail bar. You bought, you got in. Well, you would have had to get out. The stop was right there. Since you think that was a move, that should have been a move. You know there's another leg. So off the 20, you take it. You could possibly take this, but say the move started here. That is the elephant. So the stop is right here. So buy enough to make that risk available. And let's say we did, and we didn't buy everything, just put a portion on it, came back, got the large move. That's when we pound everything into it and we get one push, two push, probably get out there. You see this resistance level right here. That's the range we seem to be in. We have a flat 20. That's when it ranges. And that's the end of the day for Walmart. So let's go to Google. Google. Here is the Fab Four that we have. It makes a move right here. That is a, let's say, one, two, three, three level move. We get a sell on it. We set the stop here. So we're saying that when we say we get to stop here, it's because we're saying it already made one, two. It already made its two move, right? So we have that's the hidden whale. So now we know we have to play it down. So because we get this, we enter right there, set the stop above. It comes up, sell, get out, position of power, get in. One, two, three, get out. Seems as if there's some level of support right here. So any push off of that would be of significance. Keep in mind position of power. You play that up. What's the chances it's into this area of resistance? Now you get a move off of it. So, I mean, you might as well stay in it and get out right here. Uh, Sell, stop. We're going to try to ride all the way down to here. Didn't happen. We got a one, two, a nice hidden whale right there. So we should know after the whale move, it's a turnaround. Another whale. Back up. Wide state. Wide state. Off the 20. Play it down. Off the 200. Stop. Multiple bar combination. Elephant. Flat 200-ish. Nothing but wide space. A man can dream. Get out. Next one we're gonna do is Chase. So we traded a lot today. I mean, we were up a lot, and then we went down, then we were up, then we were down. We ended the day positive, but we need to fine tune a lot of things that we're doing. Like this is avoidable. This would be the Fab Four. You get a playoff here. You probably don't want to take it. What you could say is there's so much energy, right, from this evaporation of this one. If you see a bull 180 there, you gotta take it, even if it's at the end. You gotta take that bull 180 right here. And that's a nice play, even through the 200 resistance. That's another hidden whale. And then here's the sell right there. Play it here. This remember this is the flat 200. This is the 20. If it breaks out, it's probably gonna go down. So we're gonna try to play it down. Oh, didn't play it down. We played it up. We saw this elephant bar off of a position of power. Had to play it. Put a lot into it. Held it the whole time. Didn't have enough to buy back in, but just rode this. Got out right here. That was probably one of our better plays today. Didn't sell this. That would have been a nice hidden whale. Right here, you get in. Seems like there's some type of range forming. Nope. Broke it right there. Position of power. Sell. Sell. Ride that down. This, you could have got out right there. You would have had that. Another whale. Ride that up. Get out of here. Leave a lot. Leave one lot. Rides here. Hidden green bar takeout. Ride it up. Try to get out here. Bam. Got out. Elephant bar off of a flat 200 into open space. You sell there. One, two, three, maybe. I don't know. One, two. Get out. Oh. Full 180. I don't know. You kind of have to take it. Add more right here. Leg one. So leg two. How much can you expect? Nothing. Ride it up. 50%. Found it. You'd get in. That's what I did. Got out right there. Didn't make anything. And it's like, what is it doing? What is it doing? It's the end of the day. That's why you're like, eh. So next one, Intel. Intel's open. Look at that. Again, here is your Fab Four. One, two, three. It's in position three. You get a nice sell after the first bar. You enter, set your stop right here. Let it ride down. And when you let it ride down, you'd get out right here. You could play a crash, bounce, crash again right there because we know that the 200 is large support and then it can become support and resistance. And then that's your whale right there. It's a pretty big whale. Be a nice profit. We know we take tail bars, set a stop, get out, let it ride. Let's see if we can break it. Braked it pretty confidently. We can say that would have been a play. Flat state, flat state, narrow state, elephant off 200, make it move. I didn't mean to turn off the lights on you. I'm not that good at this. That was just my computer. Or fate, however you want to put it. Uh, that's an elephant right there. Hidden. Get out. Or look at the bigger elephant. Or the whale. Buy, buy, sell, sell, add, get out, get out. And that is the picture of perfection. And that is worth everything because that is all we're trading all day. That's the $1 million question that everyone's looking to answer. And you watching this video saw it. You should feel lucky. Okay, let's go. On that note, we'll just end it. If someone got to see that, they know it. They know that they know how to win. Uh, yeah, we'll end it on that one. Till next time, happy pre-Friday in that market every day, baby. I'll see you guys later. Deuces.